Welcome back to Online Learning with Dana. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss sorting and filtering in HediSQL. So let's start our business. Open HediSQL and now open it. So here we are in a test demo. So open your table user, double click it, and it is design mode, a schema mode. So you have to go to a data to show all the data. So I have added some brackets in user table, so to do sorting and filtering. So let's start our sorting, and it is not in order. So click on sort, and let me close all things. Click on sort, add your column, and click on OK. So you can see the table is in an order, it's in the sorting order, it's by user ID. And here you can see in console the activity log. Select all from test demo user, order by user ID, ascending, and limit is 1000 record. You can add multiple fields and add column, and the second one is the name or email, anything. I will go with name, and it will be in a sorting ascending order. So OK, and you can see in the console, select all from test user, order by user ID, ascending, name, ascending. So sorting is so in this way you can easily sort all your data. So let's remove the fields and add a new column, and I will sort now by status. Now add your status, and press on OK. So now the status field is sorted. Here you can see it is sorted from 0 to 1. So also the activity log is shown. Select all from test demo database with test demo dot user is table, order by status and ascending, and limit is 1000. The same thing we can do in a query. Just copy the console, go to your query, and let me add limit of just 5 record. Select all from test, and from here you can execute your query. So the same result will be achieved from a query console. So let me change the field name to a name and execute your query. So you can see your data is in a grid is sorted. So let's go back to our data, and you can sort by columns, and you see how many columns you want to show in a grid. Check those columns, select all or unselect. Yes, we need 2 columns. We can show 2 columns and hide the remaining column. So here you can see user ID and name show in data grid, and all the other columns are hide. Also you can check in console, SQL console, select user ID name from test demo.user, order by status, ascending limit and 1000. Okay, you can limit your default is 1000. You can change it from your tools, preferences, and SQLs. Maximum sets to where it is. Number of rows displayed in data tab, set 1000. I will do set it to 5, and you can change all your grid text colors and everything, but I will go with the default number of rows in the display. So press OK. So you can see the change is not happened. So you have to close your HediSQL and open it again, so it will show the record. Okay, close. Yes, no. Cancel it. Ready, open. Now go your table. Now you can see the data is only a 5 record, 1 2 3 4 5, because we have set our default records to 5. Here you can see ascending limit in the console is 5 now. The default limit is 5. So now let's change back to the default. 100. Go with 100. And so show all your column now, and the change will not happen, and we have to close again the HediSQL and reopen. You can refresh, but it will not affect. So you have to close your Hedi and reopen it. Open. Go your test demo, user table, data grid, and the all records are shown. Now the limit is 100. So this is the default one. Okay, you can also choose your filter in the same way, and you have to give your string what you want to search in a filter. Let me search, give this string a fan, and the string is now this check in console. All the strings like a fan will check it and apply filter. A fan record is shown. You have to, if you let me change it to a string is 1, apply that filter. All the record containing the string 1 is shown, because 1 is in a user ID. Also it is checking in the status, so that's why. Let me email, password, and only I want to search a status. So status like 1, string is 1, so apply filter. So only field that containing status field that containing the 1 in the, as a record, as a data, so it will show you filter. Also we can see in the console, select all from test demo user where status like is this, and limit is 100. We can the same filter we can perform in a query consoles. Copy your select query, go to your query and add it. I will limit it to only 5. Execute. So the same action we can perform in a query console, and the same one that we have did in filtering. So this one is the, so remove your query and go to your data, clear your filtering, and so the next and the show all will not appear in a data grid because we have set our limit to 100, and if we change the limit to more than less than 5 records, so the filter next and show all will be effective work when we change it. Okay, let's change it to again 5, apply it. Okay, you have to close your HediSQL and reopen it. It will work. So open your HediSQL one more time, open it and double click your table, go to your data grid, and here we can see the 5 records are shown. Now we can see our next filter and show all filter will work. If I click on next, the remaining records in your data grid will be shown up, and the show all will not affect because we have only total 8 records in data grid. So it's a very simple to use HediSQL rather than we use PHP MyAdmin. Adding a record, filtering a record, or sorting a record is difficult in PHP MyAdmin, so we go with HediSQL as a nice tool to use. Enough for now, and I will see you in the next lecture. So have a good time. Take care.